In today's video, I'm sharing 10 genius Christmas decor ideas using only paper specially designed for your kitchen space. These ideas are easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for small kitchens too. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last idea is my favorite. No expensive decor, no fancy tools. Just simple paper DIY ideas that look elegant, cozy, and creative. And it looks surprisingly expensive. Let's get started. Paper snowflake window accents. Cut large paper snowflakes using white or off-white paper and stick them gently on your kitchen window or glass cabinets. This instantly adds a wintry Christmas feel and allows natural light to pass through beautifully. Simple, clean, and very elegant. Paper garland for kitchen shelves. Open kitchen shelves are perfect for decor. Create a paper garland using circles, stars, or mini trees. Use neutral colors like white, beige, or soft brown for a classy look. Drape the garland along shelves or above the backsplash for a cozy Christmas touch. Paper star wall decor. Paper stars are timeless. Fold paper stars in different sizes and hang them on the kitchen wall or above the counter. Stick to one color theme for a clean and modern look. This idea adds height and visual interest without cluttering the kitchen. DIY paper candle wraps. Turn plain candles into festive decor. Cut paper wraps with Christmas patterns and wrap them around candle jars or holders. Use simple designs like stripes, snowflakes, or dots. Always keep paper away from open flames. This small detail adds warmth to your kitchen decor. Paper gift box decor for counters. Wrap small empty boxes with craft paper or white paper. Tie them with twine or paper ribbon and place them on the kitchen counter or tray. They look like mini Christmas gifts and add a cute festive vibe. Paper wall art with Christmas quotes. Create simple wall art using paper. Write or print short Christmas quotes like "Merry and bright" or "Warm kitchen, warm hearts." Frame them or clip them with mini wooden clips. Perfect for adding a personal touch. Paper tree centerpiece for kitchen table. Fold paper into cone-shaped Christmas trees. Make them in different heights and place them together as a centerpiece. Use white, brown, or light green paper for an elegant look. This works beautifully for small kitchen tables. Paper ornaments for cabinet handles. Cut small paper tags or shapes and tie them to cabinet handles with string. Add simple patterns or hand-drawn designs. This is a low-effort but high-impact idea for kitchen decor. Paper menu or recipe board. Create a Christmas-style paper menu board. Write your favorite holiday recipes or drinks and place it on a stand. This adds charm and makes the kitchen feel warm and lived in. Paper light shade accent. Cut simple paper cutouts and place them around a light fixture or a lampshade. The soft shadows create a cozy festive atmosphere. This is a beautiful way to end your kitchen decor. Comment below and tell me, which paper DIY was your favorite? If you want more inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Merry Christmas and happy decorating! Thanks for watching you.